Yes, you're right. This legendary Casio F91 watch really does have a very dim light. My camera can't even focus properly because there's so little illumination. But that was likely a deliberate decision by Casio to limit the brightness so the battery can last up to 7 to 10 years. That's the trade-off you make to own the iconic Casio F91. However, there's actually a hidden trick to make the light brighter, allowing this watch to reach its full potential, without replacing the LED, without using a light spreader, and without soldering the circuit board. This tutorial will be very short because the hack really is that low effort. I'll show you how it's done. Module cover, battery, circuit board. I'm going to slightly bend the light button plate so you can see the difference before and after the hack. This is the standard light of the Casio F91. Right next to the LED, there are two separate light paths. This is what prevents it from reaching maximum brightness. All we need to do is connect them. This is a simulation of when both paths on the circuit board are connected. I'll show it in the dark. Not okay. Okay. Not okay. Okay. Not okay. This can be done without any soldering at all because we have conductive paint. We just need to apply a tiny drop to connect the two paths and here's the result.